Well, guys, I am here in Tobago. Alright, see you there. Tobago. Me
don't know what them a pre-bout. I keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them are clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorbet. Every day.
Well, blessed love to all. Guys, I hope you're having a wonderful day anywhere you are. Welcome to Kino Life in Jamaica. Thank you so much for watching as well too. Thank you to each and everyone that put the thumbs up, as well appreciated. Thank you for each and everyone that subscribed to Kino Life in Jamaica. Blessed. Yeah man, for each and everyone who subscribed to Kino Life in Jamaica. Now it's Kino Life in Trinidad now. So thank for all the new subscribers and the returning subscribers. We thank you so much. Whenever you hit that thumbs up, remember, we appreciate that so much. I remember to keep the thumbs up, guys. Keep it positive as well too, in the live comment section and in the comment section itself. So whenever you're in the live feed, whenever we're premiering, please keep it positive. Thanks so much to my moderator for keeping it, make sure it stays positive, right? We all one, no matter who you think you are, we all one. Probably different color, different skin, but the same blood, right? But we all one at the end of the day, right? You could have feel like you're higher or you're lower. No one is better than no one, yeah? So the day when you think you're better than someone, that's when you realize you're just lost out of this world. Remember, no one is better than no one. The Almighty created each and every one of us. So guys, yes, today we're on that trip where we're gonna see over by Tobago. So I've been here in Trinidad, so we're gonna head to Tobago, to see what it's like over there. Cause everyone is saying you need to go to Tobago, to see the different scenery, different ambience, the different life of Trinidad and Tobago. So I need to know the difference. So I'm heading there today. So I'm taking you guys on the journey. So I hope you're loving this Kino Life in Trinidad. The episode's been going great. So yes guys, so I'm here gonna waiting on Squid, oh please remember to check out Squid music. The link will always be in the description. Squid dancer, trust me, he's a real performer. Real, they call it zest. Like they call it zest over here, steam, the music that they do. So you can check out their culture with the music. And you can check out his IG as well to a Squid dancer. And trust me, you will don't be surprised. This man is a top performer, Trust me. Jamaican, same in the blood, same. So guys, remember to stay tuned. Put the thumbs up if you reach this far and you haven't subscribed. So go ahead and subscribe to Kino Life in Jamaica. Boom! Man, see you man, the thing though, the man surprised me again. The man is here, putting in some work over here. So you're putting in some cupboards up there. Talented farmer, everything, tour guide.
Mason, carpentry, build house too man, everything.
Everything. Jack of all trade,
honest
man.
Money.
Yes. Yes man. Honest money man. Today we're going to take a trip over by Tobago. To see the other side of Tobago,
It's nice, yes man. Once you reach the Argyle Fall, it's a real nice fall.
Yeah?
Real nice, 7 levels.
Alright, blessings. 7 levels. General, how you stay? Have changed? Yeah. 120. Alright then. Yes man. Where's over there? What's it called?
Argyle Waterfall.
Argyle Waterfall. Alright then, hopefully it will
7 levels, real nice.
7 levels rivers. Hey guys, it's giving us some more rivers to go and check out. Whoa. Let's see, because there's so much we have to check out. There's so much. Because I realized Trinidad got so much things to check out. There's so much, it's small, you know,
But a lot of
but there's a lot there to do. It's a lot, and you cannot cover everything in just
in
this
a
one.
week or two.
No, in a week or two. You need
2 months.
2
3
months, you know, you need 2 months to check it out, definitely. You know, and it's been a fun, it's been a joy, you know. And it is a place for me gonna always be on my bucket list, because I thought I'd take it off the bucket list, but it's still on the bucket list.
Yo!
You know, it's still on the bucket list. Yeah, man, so I like the work you're going over here, man.
When I come back, I'll call you, take a video on my book, man. I come back and get something to drink.
Yeah, alright.
I don't think we can fit here. No. Definitely, I don't know.
Not a flyer.
No, just a big one.
So I'm going to run down in front of you. See? Your pass cans up in the hole. Your partner's right there. Just wait in front of the gate for me. Right by the letter.
Right on your pass cans there.
Yeah, right by the
So squid is here. I know we're ready for the road now. Squid is here. We have squid.
Come on, right?
Yeah?
You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah. Yeah, pull on here?
Yeah. Yeah. Is your apartment?
Yeah, by the time, please.
Yeah.
Alright, that's all.
Yeah. Yeah. Wow. I have Squid, the Magnum. Ambassador, the artist from Trinidad, and the main one.
Today, Tobago we are free.
Yeah. Yeah, that's so we're free in Tobago today.
Short flight. 15 to 20 minutes stop. We reach Tobago. You
Yeah.
understand? Nice. Our sister isle.
Yeah.
We go in there and explore Tobago a little bit. You understand? Tobago is more of a tourist attraction. So you get nice beaches, you get the sugar cake, you know, all the little dry natural foods.
Yeah.
You know?
To try different
Yeah.
culture food, you know. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to Squid, check out his music, you know. If you're
Yeah,
watching and you still haven't subscribed, go and check him out.
Underscore dancer underscore artist. Yeah, man.
Yes.
Good music.
So the link to his YouTube channel will be in the description. You know,
Squid
and
Trinidad.
Squid Trinidad,
Yeah, man.
Squid Dancer,
Squid dancer is the
YouTube.
Yeah.
Yeah. So Squid Dancer is the YouTube, and Squid Trinidad is the IG, right?
Yeah, correct.
Correct.
No, Squid Trinidad. Sorry, Squid Trinidad is the YouTube.
You sure?
Squid dancer artist is the Instagram.
So wait, let me see. Okay. I'm looking at something different in this. So that means I haven't been tagging the wrong person.
No, man.
Is it the right person? Like, right. So guys, well, let me check 1 minute, guys. I'm gonna see if I've been tagging the right name.
Oh shit, Squid dancer artist.
Exactly. So,
no, but the Instagram is the same, eh? Squid dancer artist.
yes. So guys, you have to see with him. Don't even remember his own YouTube channel.
Yeah, man. Squid dancer.
Yes,
artist.
Squid Dancer Artist. I know I've been tagging the same thing. So Squid Dancer Artist, same link is in the description.
Oh,
Let's build up his subscription, you know,
yeah, man.
and get him to
New
reach and
music.
listen to his music, you know. It's called Steam, you know, Zest,
Yeah.
you know. This Caribbean culture here in Trinidad music.
Correct.
So check it out. He's a top performer. So if you like what man I perform, hey.
Wait on them, let them see it themselves, man.
Alright, you need to go see yourself.
Actions speak louder than words.
Alright, but check out the IG, you see most of it. Yes guys, so we're going to hit the road now and everything. So. There's an accident. Car burning here on the highway, heading to the airport. Look at this. Heading to the airport. Look at this. Police there. The police them is out. Look at this there. Look at it. Yeah, something. Imagine something just explode. We leave right in time.
Yeah.
Imagine that. So we're on our way to the airport. Tobago, we are coming. We are coming right at your doorstep, boy. Yes guys, so we just reached at the airport. Look what I see with the accident that take place with the car was on fire. I don't know what happened there, but sometimes some car just catch a fire while you're driving, but hopefully we're praying that no one got hurt.
Yeah, man.
Let's pray no one got hurt.
Say arrive alive, drive safe.
Yes. Arrive alive. Yes, and drive safe. So if you're out here driving and you're watching Kina Life in Jamaica same time driving, pause it. When you get home, you can go back to watch it. Right, Uncle? Yes, drive safe and stay alive, right?
Yeah, man. Yeah, my brother.
Alright. Yeah. It's a bit windy today as well. So we are Piarco. Yeah, so we are Piarco International Airport. Yeah, so here is where we're going to get the flight to Tobago, guys. So we're taking on that journey with us, not leaving a minute or a second. You know how it goes already. Everything. Good afternoon. Alright, so I'll call back. now. Wow. So you know the season and everything. So we're gonna see how this works right now, guys. So it's not busy. So good squid name is in here. So.
Wow.
It's not that busy today, you know, it's not really that busy today at all. So hopefully we can just catch a flight. Hello.
Hi.
Hey.
TikTok famous, you know.
Oh, she?
Yeah.
Yeah. Come here.
I'll show you she TikTok.
What's your TikTok name?
Vitamin J.
Vitamin J. Oh, so you got the vitamins. So guys, so here hey, look. Here guys, we have vitamin J.
But that's so short.
Exactly.
Sexiest TikTokers in Trinidad.
Yeah. She made me look so tall.
Yeah.
Cause she's so short, guys. She is short. Yes, it's vitamin J. So you dance as well?
No.
Does she don't dance?
Good dance.
Good. She can dance.
Yeah.
Hey, alright, he's gonna show me. Vitamin. So check out Kina Life in Jamaica while you're here. So you can see everything.
Eat.
You too.
So look out for yourself next 2 days.
Yes, look out for yourself as well too. Alright, so why go on YouTube?
Because I'll forget to just type it in there. I always am on
No,
notes.
I'm gonna subscribe. But I'll put it here, but I'm gonna subscribe for you one time. So you'll get notification.
We can't sleep.
Alright, so that's on the notes there. So go on YouTube now. So you have to always remind yourself what to do, right?
Busy.
No, very busy.
And I have the IQ of a 4-year-old. Right.
Hey. So you got 6 squid and the whole team and everyone, you know? These are the videos that while I'm here in Trinidad.
I will watch them.
Yes, you won't miss nothing. So anyway, you're gonna see yourself as well too. Yes, like
Alright.
so you know you're gonna see yourself. So that is it, guys.
Vitamin
Sure,
J.
vitamin J. So she's got the vitamin. You know, yes.
I'm going to see some shit. I'm going to know they're going to find out.
Alright, watch.
Yeah.
You know, next month. Next month. But I just spoke that one there as well.
Good guys, so waiting to get the tickets out, you know. Yes, because we never put the ticket online or anything, so you know, True is a well-known artist, so he's the Trinidad artist here over here, so yeah. So I hope you're having a wonderful day anywhere you are. Trinidad is very nice. Not lying. Guys, I'm so tired as well. Well, last time I see someone comment, someone else. Last time someone sent me a message and said, Kino, the last time they were in Trinidad, they don't sleep for 2 weeks. You know, for 2 weeks, no sleep. And I can see why. Here is full of so much, it's packed with so much fun and joy. You know, so much entertainment, so many things to do. You know, when you're here, it's so many things. Like, it's like a party island, you know? It is a party island, trust me. And then for me, you know, especially when you're a guest, you're a tourist in the area, you know, there's so many things for you to check out as well. So maybe that's why, because when you're a tourist, there's so many things you have to check out, so many places you have to go. It's a never-ending things to check out, you know, never-ending. So the flight is not a long flight, you know, it's a short, about 20 minutes flight to Tobago. Yes, 20 minutes. So hopefully we get there in time. So guys, if you feel like you want some drugs, come to the airport drugs. Hey, if you feel like you want some drugs, just come to the airport drugs and you get drugs. You know? If you're feeling for drugs, come to the airport drugs to get drugs. Okay, it's a pharmacy, right? It's called drugs, airport drugs. You get all this sickness, everything.
I want to see him out one time. You understand?
One time.
Yeah, he's more about to
Pit a pit. Oh, I need to get my Trinidad wristband too.
Oh, like Tobago, don't worry.
Yeah.
All kind of
Souvenirs, yeah. All type of souvenirs here. Pit a pit. Look at this. These.
Huh?
These are nice too. That's the color. This is Trinidad and Tobago. You want the wrist? Looks great. Are you this?
Yeah, man. yeah. My thing bigger than that. And it's not real.
No, it's not real. Carnival. Carnival fever. You know, pit a pit. You say, want pit a pit?
Yeah.
Some pit a pit, man. This is the line, right? Yeah. Yeah.
You want them a double shrimp?
Shrimp as well, right?
Yeah, shrimp.
Yeah, shrimp as well.
You want a double shrimp for them?
Yeah, I need a shrimp in them.
Extra shrimp?
No, no extra, no. Anything extra free.
Yeah.
Is it extra free?
No.
How many shrimp you give?
Yes, get 8.
8.
So you can get 16 if you take the double shrimp.
So you can't give me 10?
Yeah. I can charge it for you for 10.
No, give me free. Give me 2 free. All the way from Jamaica, give me 2. Free.
No, but the shrimp now is
No,
nice.
Yes, I know it tastes nice.
Does it taste nice? And turmeric. Yeah, mango style shrimp on. And you had to put onions and mushrooms on the grill for that. And 2 regular shrimp again coming up. Anything else? Just shrimp?
Anything else? Juice. Yeah, juice.
Moby, I don't know.
What's that?
Moby back. You don't know what it is?
No?
Yeah, the drink is.
It's a bitter sweet drink, but it's very, very, very good.
It's taking last one.
Yeah.
Bitter sweet.
And it
Yeah.
has sorrel.
Okay, I'll go for mango passion.
Orange pine. Oh, you get one.
Mango passion. Hello. Mango passion.
Passion. So 2.
Yes, please.
158.
Okay. Hey. Any discount for me? Laura.
Laura?
Yes.
Laura, something by your name. The hearts on your boot people as well, like with the Laura.
Yeah.
With the heart. Is it?
Yeah.
You cannot do that.
Why you cannot do that?
It's not allowed.
You say so.
In this world.
In the world.
Yes. So that means you have to go and carve it out. You have to draw it. Each time you have to sketch out the art in your name. Laura. Say bitter.
Passion Montana. His own chocolate.
Oh.
Chocolate bar.
We should have an interview with him, man. Because he last time he was.
That's hard to get.
Ah, right.
LT, everything LT.
Everything LT. You tell her, listen, you tell her, excuse me, Laura, you tell her 10?
Huh?
You tell her 10 shrimp?
One.
Ah, one? One extra. Alright, listen, come here. She give one, you give one. That's it, right? So finally I'm getting some extra shrimp. You know what I'm saying? Anything you want in life free, you must be dumb. That's what them say, freedom.
Freedom.
Right? Yeah. So anything you want free, you must be dumb. So when you get something free, you have to appreciate it.
Yeah.
Right? Laura with the art, so oh, in the world to know your name. I'm a YouTuber. I'm a YouTuber. Yeah, so you can check me out one time on YouTube. Come, get your phone. Get your phone, get your phone, get your phone out. Everyone get their phone out. Check me out on YouTube. Kino Life in Jamaica.
What?
My YouTube name is Kino Life in Jamaica. I like your locks.
That's very, very particular.
That's why I asked first.
That's what he asked.
That's why I asked.
Okay.
He's from
Very clean. I'm from Jamaica.
Jamaica.
I'm where all the Rasta is from. I'm from Trenchtown where Bob Marley is from.
Okay.
So you know I'm always with the Rasta.
Okay.
So I'm from Jamaica.
Thank you.
Real Ras. What about you? Can I touch yours?
You good, but mine is not like yours. Mine is different.
All natural. But check me out on YouTube.
What is it?
Kino Life in Jamaica. What about your phone? You not related?
My sister-in-law. Yeah.
Oh, in-law. So who's going up with whose brother or
I'm
who's?
married to her brother. Yeah.
Okay. So you're the married one. See your finger? Hey. No, it's empty.
That's right, no.
What is the name?
K-I-N-O.
Where you guys flying? I-N-O.
I'm
Trace
so I'm
life in Jamaica.
To see Tobago, to do some
In
YouTube.
Jamaica. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, so, you
So you
know.
got any service going on YouTube? Let me show you one time.
Let me see my connection works. Not sure.
Yeah, because we both on roaming.
Yes.
I'm on roaming too.
Yeah, well, sometimes the struggle is real.
Yes.
Hang on.
Hey, it works.
Well, she came in from Paris.
I'm from Paris. K-I-N-O.
Oh, she only came in last night. So.
Oh, last night.
Well, I hope you enjoy it. I hope you enjoy it.
Thank you.
Oh, you got the missing day.
Oh, okay, no.
But it comes up anyway.
Okay.
So there you go. That is me there.
Oh,
in Trinidad.
nice.
Bang.
Oh, my son lives in
I
Jamaica.
have to say,
You live in Jamaica?
Yeah, he plays with Mount Pleasant.
Is it? Wow.
Yeah.
See, small world. Very small world.
White or brown?
Ah, yes, brown. LT. So when are you getting married? You find the husband again?
well, God decides. We shall see.
Oh.
Who came from Paris?
All the way from Paris.
2, 3, 4,
5, 6, 7, 8.
We ain't seen not even one extra one.
And I didn't say anything. Exactly. I know she like to see my face now. That is nice. You know, so watch your face now.
What's my face? Nothing else.
Let me see.
Absolutely.
So your name got art as well too. Everyone name got art.
Because I design of this stuff.
Okay.
Caribbean?
Yeah.
So Kevian, you can check me out on YouTube also. Kino Life in Jamaica.
Alright.
Alright. I don't got my card on me, so where's it
All
from?
that for YouTube thing? I can?
Of course.
Yes, sure.
Because
Yeah,
listen,
he's a professional vlogger. So he vlogs.
Yeah, just go to my video and you put my face in it vlog.
But we looking for nice people.
exactly. Of course you're nice. Look at
with that.
everyone here is nice. Too nice.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yes, so nice. Oh, hold on. I never put any sauce on it. Hello. Is that mine?
You put
I put salt, everything on the top.
What sauce you put?
No, but I put something with pepper in it.
What about the sweet sauce,
Yeah,
sweet chili?
sweet and spicy.
If I don't like, hey,
You will love it.
you love it, you
You
sure?
will love it.
I love it, love it. You put lettuce, tomato.
Yes, I put lettuce, tomatoes, I put corn, I put pineapple,
Cheese.
onions. Yeah.
Well. Oh, so I'm done.
Excuse me?
Oh, see another one there. Put that one. Good afternoon, Papa. Oh, dash and juice.
No, it's okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Well. It's a long walk. But guys, it's boarding time. So I just checked in, so I'm gonna walk into the plane now. It's been a long wait and everything. Just know we have a shorter walk right there, now we have a long walk. Bathe and eat.
I would like to finish off this morning with my son. But hospital, so we have to go my
they roll.
Let me see. Can you see the number? Oh, let's see. Well, guys, I am here in Tobago. Alright, see you there. Tobago. Just touchdown. So, let's see. We're here, man. We're here with the Tobago sign over there. And that is it. So. Who you calling?
Nah, no, you on the Makino?
Yeah.
My boyfriend named Makino.
Hey.
I call it Akino, he come in the name Akino too. Yes.
So yeah, Aquino. Aquino too. Yeah, I thought it was me as well. I'm like, eh? Aquino. Alright, that was good, man. Pick up yourself, Aquino. From Jamaica. Tobago. So you have the Tobago Aquino and the Jamaican Aquino.
Yeah, man.
Big up.
Yeah, man, you know me.
Yeah, man.
Right, like for now, we get a car and
Yeah.
then we can move on.
Yeah. I hear she's saying, Tino!
She said Aquino.
Aquino, yeah. Yes, guys, so we're here in Tobago. You know, finally here. Still sunny day. It's a very sunny day, same way. Quite busy on the other side. Well, people leaving. Is that?
Yeah.
A lot of people though. Busy over that side.
Yeah. After Carnival, a lot of people would still come to Tobago to, you know, relax. Take a week off and just relax and enjoy the nature and the beach and things. So now that is over, everybody rushing.
Yeah, so we can get a rental car to move around. You know, something to move around. This is it.
Yeah.
How much is it?
3. Milo transition. Milo video. Mine.
Tell me, can tell me, what are you going on this?
I agree.
Yeah.
None of them.
You know them anyway?
None of them. Hello.
Sweet cell.
No, I agree. Alright. So we leave with him now?
Yeah.
Go. Yes guys, so we just get a rental. Just get a rental, something to go and move around with while we're here. While we're here, you know, for this little time, you know, so short visit, you know, but we're gonna make most of it. Right? So very short. Yeah? Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah, guys, so short visit, so we're gonna make most of it. You understand? So let's see. Tobago, I am here, I am here, I am here, I am here. Very short, but I am here. Used a bit.
No, Richard.
Big up. Yes guys, so let me see, you know, we're gonna explore and see what we can find to do. You know, well, the guy, I've been seeing the comment section, everyone's like keen, I need to visit Tobago. So now I'm here in Tobago, you know, the fresh air, you know, so that is it.
Ready, brother?
Alright, we're ready for the road. Ready. Trinidad. Now we're in Tobago.
There's some nice fresh air.
Yeah. Get the Tobago air, get the Tobago fresh air.
Where you think we will go first? Where you feel like?
What you feel like? Kind of check out some little areas then, like all the time already gone.
Yeah.
So tomorrow we can pass on the beach then.
Alright.
When it's more earlier.
Let me just show you. Let me show you where you don't know.
Yeah. Show me what me don't know. Show me what me don't know. Hey. Tobago. Alright, Jamaica here.
Tobago has one main road, there's no highway.
No highway, just one main road.
Yeah. So
Just one.
as we leave the airport, we are officially on the main road here, right?
And this is the one.
Yeah, we're already on the main road.
So this
But there is Tobago local road, there's a back road, you know, there's all side streets that you could pass to get to destination a little faster. So there's a beach there, there's a popular beach.
okay. Tomorrow we'll check for another morning. So we can get done. So they have like mall and them place they like
Yeah man, we still have a little more and everything. A nice little spot.
And the food spot them, we get the food there.
Yeah, you remember like how we have, right, so this is one of the more popular beaches, right, this is Toby.
Oh, Storby
Beach. You go and go on the glass bottom boat and stuff where you could sail out and they would give you a full tour, so I don't know if you want to do that tomorrow. Really?
Yeah.
Remember the avenue in Trinidad?
Yeah.
So this is like the avenue.
Oh, so
right
this
now.
is like the avenue.
Yeah, this is where the nightlife happens, all the places to eat. You understand? Restaurants, party life.
So this is the avenue of Tobago, guys. Avenue of Tobago.
About to buy a drink for us later.
Yeah.
Jade Monkey, that's all.
Oh, it's right here.
That's the next popular spot that books me a lot. This is Uptown Bar.
Oh, that's where you get books a lot.
Yeah.
So like how you know in Trinidad the avenue always lively during the
it's
week.
always lively.
Same way during the week.
Yeah.
Alright then, so guys when they say they want to see some nightlife as well too here in Tobago.
Food and party.
Food and party. Tobago nightlife.
Oh!
That's the Coliseum.
Yeah, man, people get excited on this.
Of course, boy.
Beach life.
Beach life. Beach life. So over here you have mostly the resort them as well too.
Yeah, man.
God, there's a lot of fruits.
8% of Tobago is places that you can rent, Airbnbs, you know, so all these houses, most of the time.
Airbnbs.
Yeah, you can rent places to spend the day, spend the weekend, spend whatever time you want.
These are the areas.
This is like the spine of Tobago. Just go straight down to the end, one end to the next.
One end to the next. So how long it take you to complete this end?
You could drive around Tobago in a matter of 3 hours.
3 hours.
Yeah, you could drive around the whole island. But there is country, there is different places, but if you're going through the hills and all these things, it could take longer. But you know, the fastest route around it could take about 3 hours.
3 hours, okay. Right down the spine.
Yeah, man.
Tobago right down the spine.
This is a place called Chill Out Bar. Let me go have a good friend living here. This place never sleeps.
Never sleeps.
Bar right here?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
24 hours, never sleep.
And the owner of this bar, holds the biggest carnival in Tobago.
Okay.
So when you want Tobago Carnival is in October, he has the biggest band. He runs the carnival. This is Fog Angels Carnival.
So Tobago have a different carnival as well.
They partake in like our carnival, and they have their own carnival over here for that. But they also have a special Tobago Carnival, which is around October 27th, that's around my birthday.
Is it that excited like the Trinidad one?
Yeah, it is actually. It gets growing bigger and bigger every year.
Here is like we can get stuff to buy.
Yeah, it's Chinese stuff. You get anything.
So let's go.
Tobago is you know about the crime situation in Trinidad?
Yeah.
Tobago is not like that. Tobago is very, very safe.
Very safe, less crime.
Yeah, a lot less.
I guess it's smaller than Trinidad, right?
It is a lot smaller.
Yeah.
But the place is a lot safer.
That's safer.
A lot of people don't even lock their doors.
Okay. It's like back in hello. How you doing? It's like back in the days Jamaica when people never used to close their door. But this here is like wow.
So later on, when we rest up, when we see all what we want and we rest up and things, we come out nightlife. We come here. Even more than Tuesday like today.
I'm a YouTuber from Jamaica.
Yeah, you from Jamaica?
Yeah, I'm a YouTuber.
Well, me from Tobago.
Tobago.
I live Canada, I live Germany, I live St. Martin, I live all over.
Yes. What about Jamaica? You live Jamaica?
No, we only spend a couple days.
We
go check a partner of mine.
Yeah.
And then after that, we left and come home.
So you need to visit again. How was it?
It was good. We get drunk.
You get drunk. So would you trade Tobago for anywhere else in the world? Explore.
Yeah man, Tobago always hiring, but right now we are ECT.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, because my first time here in Tobago. My first time in Trinidad as well too. So I'm not getting the experience, you know. So my
get the experience help.
So you know Jamaica Ray and nephew, right?
Nasty rum, them
oh, okay.
Tell them we get drunk. We take good advantage of a white rum they get them.
So
the rum advantage me.
So what about waterfalls? There are a lot of waterfalls. Hopefully if I got the time. So where can you advise me to go and check out now? Like I would just reach, yeah.
You know what I know.
Is it so much? You don't know which one?
You go down Scarborough, you go down Pristine Point.
Is it that way?
No late man. You gotta pull like one line now.
Yeah. Lime?
Yeah.
Lime in time now, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna pull line now. Like if you don't work,
yeah.
I drink and go. But nah, tomorrow I better day for that man.
Okay.
Yeah, tomorrow I better day. You say you know come off the flight there?
Yeah.
Which one? The one is like the dark stripe or the next one?
No,
English flight?
No, not English flight. One coming from Trinidad.
Oh, you come from Trinidad?
Yeah.
Oh, because we know two flight now land them.
Yeah, coming from Trinidad. Yeah, man. Down here, right here, more remind me of Jamaica.
You're right there.
Huh?
You're just right there. You check me there tomorrow.
Right here.
Beak and saltfish, shark and saltfish, whatever saltfish and saltfish, shark and saltfish, you're right there.
Right, so?
Yeah.
So you're a chef?
No, my girlfriend.
Okay. Them sell the Caribbean food, right?
Right.
I want to try something different from From Jamaica.
Right, so check me right there tomorrow. About 5 o'clock now.
Alright.
Right?
What about the doubles over here? Doubles.
You could try that. I got my belly this morning. You know.
Hey. Everyone did say Kina try the doubles.
Try the doubles is always good, but alright. They have a place down the road. They saw down the corner. I saw they sell good doubles.
Down the corner there.
Over by a store right up, you would sell good. Up a road up there. By a van, not by there. That's at my belly.
At your belly. Alright, thank you.
It long time. Yeah. At your belly. You know?
Thank you for the advice, man. Big up yourself, man. My name is Kino, man.
Yeah,
Ray.
Yeah.
Alright, blessings every time, man. You know the thing goes.
Yeah, the lion, they can't stop me.
Lion roar. When the lion roars, so when the lion roar, that is it, guys. So, yes, man. So we're here. Make a stop, you know, Squid come to check his friend. Yeah, we're gonna make moves. Nice. Now it's an Airbnb. Lot of that going over here. Yeah. The villagers are like what, in the countryside?
Yeah.
Okay.
But don't be mistaken, they're well established. Well established, but it's just part of the culture.
Yeah.
You know?
What's the name of this road? Or the same spine run, right?
Yeah, this is
the main road. This is the main road and only main
road you pass different, how you say parish?
Yeah.
Different parish.
And the one main road.
Yeah.
So imagine this main road pure traffic.
Yeah, but there are back roads, you know.
We can take.
But we who are not from Tobago wouldn't know the back roads. You know?
Yeah.
Where I show you Scarborough local road when you by the airport. You come out here, or you could go a little further down.
Yeah, for real. There you go. So guys, if you're watching and you notice and you've seen anything that you recognize, you know, just let me know. Here's like a shopping mall.
It's the most popular grocery in Tobago. Anytime somebody tell you they bought something in Penny Savers, you know, it's there in Tobago because there isn't a Penny Savers in Trinidad.
Okay.
Popular branches all over.
But I know Tobago kind of remind me more of Jamaica.
Yeah. And now, although Tobago people would doubt this. They say they don't recognize it most of the time when we talk about it.
Yeah.
Tobago people do have an accent closer to Jamaica.
Okay.
They have our local patois.
Yeah.
But still they talk. It's a mixture of like Jamaica and Trinidad.
Okay. Yeah, because over here kind of remind me more of Jamaica.
Yeah. You see all the fruits and the vegetables selling everywhere.
Yeah, over here kind of remind me more of Jamaica, guys.
Red
like
fruits and sapodilla.
Yes, and everything. Arap and berry. And even the road now kind of remind me of Jamaica road. You know, cause this is how our road will look in Jamaica. You know, not saying not as that bad, but it just remind me more of Jamaica.
Yeah, definitely.
Even seen the lot of Airbnb on the stretch.
Yeah.
It reminds me of Jamaica. It's like it have a more look of Jamaica to me. Like now I'm in Jamaica. Yeah. I can see it's like
I've been to Jamaica, so I know. Yeah, the comparison is very similar.
Yes, it's similar. Trinidad kind of have a different look. Yeah, Just tell me what you think, you know? Tell me what you think. Tobago, guys, if you're watching and you're from Tobago, I am at your doorstep. I am saying hello, hello, hello. How you doing? How you doing?
Go explore side.
Okay, go explore.
That's what Tobago is about.
Yeah, let's explore. So right now we're exploring. So that's the go explore sign. So right now we start to explore. For sure. So we're in the north coast. North coast. Jamaica, Jamaica. Tobago, Tobago. Look at these open space.
Easy plantations here. So in here there's lots of bungalows everywhere. Has pools, Mandalina Grant hotel and so forth. On the Gulf Coast there,
Yeah.
the lake you see crocodiles, like local alligators and stuff. Nice area inside of there.
Over here is not so much of too many high buildings, right?
No, yeah. If we go into the town, the city,
side,
but you wouldn't see much high buildings like there are in Trinidad. There are some probably 3-story buildings.
Yeah. Over here, right? This is the mall over here. Shopping mall. We're in Scarborough.
Yeah, we're almost there.
Almost in Scarborough.
Shoreline, where the big boats come in that can take you from Trinidad to Tobago.
Yeah. pass this music.
Show you which part. There's a place to be inside.
Tobago, Aldi, in the distributor. The food spot this right here. It's a food right here. Okay.
There's a nice Tobago sign there, like on take the pictures and see if we get a spot.
Yeah.
Tobago is crab and dumpling.
Crab and dumpling.
Yeah.
The sea crab.
Yeah, man. When you get to Tobago, you must try a crab and dumpling.
Yeah. Crab and dumpling. That's the bake?
No, the dough and you boil it.
Oh, you boil like boiled dumpling.
Yeah.
Oh, like Jamaica. The boiled dumpling. Boy, that bacon shark, boy. Yeah. So we're in Scarborough still? Yeah.
It's the heart of Scarborough right there.
The heart of Scarborough there.
Yeah, where the gate is. Yeah, man.
Oh. So I'll go and run so. Walk out that way. Yes, guys. So here's where you can get food as well, too, right?
Yeah, but this is something basically new.
Oh, it's new.
Yeah.
Yes. It is a back way to Tobago.
All spices, they're celebrating as well. Come out, you know, because Saturday night, open bottles, and it's real wellness, real vibe.
This is in Tobago. There's a big ship over there as well.
Everybody coming on in.
Right there is where the Tobago boats come in that take the vehicles and people from Trinidad.
Yeah.
Bring them to Tobago and they offload them.
Oh, the cruise ship and everything.
Everything, yeah. Normally, this tide is low. Normally, this water is...
This aisle.
Yeah.
That's how far it come. Oh, yeah. Right here.
Normally that water touches that wall there and everything. The water sometimes it do wall.
So this is the ice spill, of course, right?
Yeah, I believe so.
It look like it. So, see it? It looks like
right
it.
now there's a crisis we're going through this one.
Yeah. You can see this is the ice spill. Yeah. I eat man, look, I see them bank up there as well.
Yeah.
So this is the ice spill. You can see the aisle here as well too. So this is the ice spill, guys, where you see the aisle where. So you can see some of it washed, but you can see that they've been cleaning up and everything.
Championships, get ready for the ultimate display of sports and fashion and
look, pure aisle. All the aisle spill that take place here in Tobago. And you can see them been doing work to get rid of it as well too. Wow. So you can see that all the island bank up right here and them kind of block it off as well too from there. Look at the oil. Wow. Look at the oil. There's a lot of oil here. Damn. See? So them kind of bank it up here so it don't really run go back. I let them push it this direction.
This water used to come straight up here, so I don't know how they do it.
I remember when the guy was showing me the video, them was using this sand to cover it and everything. Wow.
But,
Tobago. I love Tobago. Look at this, look. Yeah. So the I love Tobago sign. I love Tobago sign. I am. Yeah. Tobago. Sure. We're in the O of Tobago. We're in the O of Tobago.
yeah.
Yes guys, so finally I'm here. You see it? The heart of Tobago. So we're here now. So you can't say Kino, you need to go to Tobago. I'm here. I'm literally here now. So look. So this is how we spell it. This is I love Tobago. I love Tobago. So we are here guys, we are here. And as you can see, where the isle was taking charge of the water right now, you can see there's a lot of sand them used to kind of bank it up. You can see the isle them used. Alright.
Drive to the small city.
Scarborough.
To develop the
Take your hand off your draw. What are you wearing now? That tired?
Yeah.
Oh. Because you're bored. Yeah. And that's it. That's why you get tired when you're mostly bored, not doing anything, right?
We're closing just now.
Closing? Okay then. My name is Kino, I'm from Jamaica.
Nice to meet you, Kino. Nikwe.
Nikwe?
Nikwe.
Nikwe.
N-I-Q-U-A.
Oh, Nikwe. Blessings, my general. Always. I'm a YouTuber from Jamaica. I travel as well too.
What's the name?
Kino Life in Jamaica. So you can check it out, my general.
Kino Life.
Yeah, K-I-N-O. Go on YouTube. Yeah, go on. Some say me can big up on yourself, give myself a shout out. If you have an IG, give your IG. Yeah, K-I-N-O.
Yeah, Kino Life in Jamaica.
Yes.
See pop up.
Pop up. So you see my vlog.
Like you're not reaching Trinidad.
Yeah. Touchdown. So now I just reached Tobago.
Nice.
Everyone say I need to come to Tobago.
How long
so.
are you here for?
Well, it's a short period of time. So I'm try to make the best of it right now. So I just reached Tobago. Yeah. So I meet the nice people then, right?
Right. Good do it.
Is Trinidad or Tobago?
That's Trinidad.
Trinidad,
Yeah.
Now reach.
So I just now reached Tobago, so this is the first video I'm shooting here in Tobago.
Yeah, here about what, 8 days? 8 days and
No,
he was in
10 days.
Yeah, in Trinidad about 10 days now.
10 days now.
So we're showing them about Trinidad.
How was the experience in Trinidad?
It was great.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's wonderful. You'll see it there, it's very nice there in Trinidad.
So what did you came for? Just to see the culture or?
Yeah, Yeah, because you know when people say Trinidad and Tobago and you type that in on YouTube, you know what they're gonna show you. The negative side of it.
Galvanized and guns.
Yes.
Yeah, Trinidad.
Trinidad. Exactly. So when I came and I see for myself and the viewers them see now, everyone was like, okay.
Okay, nice.
Yeah, so it's like a guinea, your client base, the first and extra.
Yes. On the positive side, not no negative side, you know. I'm more to highlight the culture.
Yeah, no, the culture again, a lot of negative and negative.
Alright. So when they see my video, it change the narrative, you know. People like, oh, I wanna come Trinidad, you know. I wanna come. So
yeah, believe it or not, a lot of people afraid Trinidad now.
If you was that Caribbean,
no, I know when I said a long time, people was afraid to go to Jamaica.
Exactly.
You understand?
yeah, even Jamaica.
Even Jamaicans saying, yo, why not going to Trinidad?
Yeah. Cause the same thing they was telling me, like, don't go to Trinidad, you know. That's bad over there.
You just risk it.
Yeah, but you have to experience it. No regrets.
Exactly.
So that's why you have to make that step, you know, in life sometime for you to experience it. Because people will tell you things just to deceive you from not going. But when you literally experience it yourself, you're like, okay.
Because between me and you, I live in Trinidad for like a 4 months. I think Trinidad could be one of the best places to go.
It could be.
I'm telling you that because the people really nice, boy.
Yeah. Correct.
Yeah.
No, it's according to where you go. And the thing about it is a few bad apples will spoil the bunch.
Yeah, and I think because honestly, people might, I'm not trying to back up to be honest with my opinion. I get
Okay.
To become more peaceful, I guess. But
Yeah.
For example, even in Korea, I find Korea, sometimes I don't choose for them, man coming by the max, take care of umbrella in the car. Like this service is different now.
Yeah. So you get better treatment in Trinidad than Tobago.
You go to buy food, someone say, well, look at that. It's like, look, give him, boy.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, get that in Trinidad.
Sure.
I tell them, I say, but Tobago is still a lot safer than Trinidad now.
Yeah.
You know?
That,
I was telling them earlier that you could leave your door open in Tobago.
Yeah.
You understand?
But you know what time I just go by shop, leave them my car glass down. Nobody ain't got trouble.
You're not a word.
Easy, they own the way and
Nobody. So everywhere got the difference.
Yeah, you can't do that in
you
Polish.
can't do that in Polish.
I think that the next thing too, like you said, you came here to show everybody a little more positive side as well. But
Yeah.
only share the bad here.
Yeah.
That's the sad part about it as well.
Yes. Well, and the same thing they do with Jamaica. So when I'm there and I'm highlighting Jamaica now, and then I have guests that fly in from countries that come to Jamaica, and when them see everything for themselves, I'm like, okay, it's different, you know. I notice the accent is more different from.
accent we just not different in Trinidad.
Yeah.
We just make a joke and say Trinidad just sing.
Yeah. So, and that's why you remember I telling you that just now?
Yeah.
I was telling them that, but a lot of Tobago people I spoke to, and they said, no, we accent is the same. And then there are people who would say, yo, only just sing, only just talk like Bajans.
Yeah.
But Bajan accent different, boy.
Yeah, because it's more different here. The Tobago accent is different.
You can't close to people that say close to Jamaica and it's heavy.
Okay, you see, yeah, you were saying it.
Telling the same thing just now.
It's heavy.
You were saying, so at least you clarify that and say it's more closer to Jamaica.
More closer to Jamaica,
Yeah, because I can understand.
The accent real distinct.
Yeah.
Fast.
Yeah, and that
Very
is like, it's just unique, it's very unique.
Yeah, very
because
unique.
even when we went to Barbados, people was asking what accent is that because they can't pick it up.
Yeah.
But for sure, if it was our shop in Trinidad, I know for sure it's a Trinidad accent.
So you go other countries, they wonder if you're from Trinidad and Tobago or you're from a next country because the accent is. So we would say your accent unique. You understand?
Yeah.
It's a merger, everything.
It's a kind of merger, a little bit of
everything. Yeah.
But even you know, Squid, your accent does sound like Trinidad accent.
Yeah,
you have the more Tobago accent.
Remember, I sing, so I would sing for. I would use the local twangs, the local patois when I'm singing, and if in public, speak properly.
That's where it's coming from, you know.
what type of music he does?
They call it steam and zest.
So like Trinidad basically.
Yeah. But he's more like for the ladies.
Okay.
He's the top performer, whatever. Yes. If you type in Squid music, you know.
I think I hear the name already.
Hear name.
I think I hear the name.
Like, man. You ever rock with a
Yeah. This is him. Killer. See, yeah man, so this is him.
Yeah.
I already see him on stage performing. Yes, that's him man.
Yeah, them girls like them music, boy.
Yes. That's the difference. I'm glad to know that, a nice experience. A nice experience. So.
Well, it's nice talking to you.
Yeah man.
Wait till tomorrow we'll come back and check you.
Yeah. Big up man. Who's hiding around the corner?
Yeah, very explicit, yeah.
The boss lady?
Yeah.
Hello boss lady. Why you hiding?
Yeah, it's a clean bush.
You're hiding.
Obviously clean bush on here wouldn't
What kind of natural juice you have here, boss lady?
But the music very explicit.
Yeah, juices? Well, I have actually pushed my own juices, but these here don't have any labels.
As yours?
Yeah.
You make them?
And what's the name? Lovely Juices.
You make them, right?
I just make them, yeah.
Okay.
What's the name of it?
Lovely Juices.
Lovely juices.
Yeah, lovely juices.
What you put in them?
Well, this one is pink grapefruit, regular grapefruit, orange pine, and more.
Natural, eh?
It's homemade. I say homemade juices.
Right.
For example, like you know, when you was growing up, and you might school might keep some type of school fair also,
Right.
and they might make some juice in some cup,
Right.
like orange juice and whatnot.
Right.
Like I just decided that people just want that same taste from the childhood. That's why I decided to make that same and
so
then bottle it.
it's not like natural squeeze.
No.
It's
Just like a Kool-Aid.
Back in the days.
Yeah, it's like just get that home vibes and
Yeah,
how it was
yeah,
long
yeah.
time.
Alright, I catch you.
Yeah.
Like in Jamaica, we have the Kool-Aid.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah, it's like that. I know. If somebody said about the Kool-Aid,
Yes, people love the Kool-Aid back in the days, growing up.
if it is only past tomorrow, was better to bring us some before the with the neighbors.
Alright then, yeah man, I'll take it.
Get a big up.
Yeah, get a shot.
Yeah man, I'll get a shout out, they can come check out the natural flavor man. Alright then, big up man
Well,
and
be safe,
respect
brother.
man. Be
No
safe.
problem, respect, right?
Bye,
Alright.
friend.
Nice.
Alright, bye. Alright, that way. This guy, so you can hear the accent is more closer to Jamaican, you can hear them more clearly.
You realize that they are more friendly, they're willing to speak.
Yeah,
You know?
yeah.
Because they are accustomed to it.
Yes. Every
of
culture
people-
is different. So
Yeah.
same way I've been saying that about this close patois,
Correct.
and he admit it as well too.
Not everybody would admit it though.
No. No, can you hear the difference? Oh, Tobago. Killer. So I'm like, I hear the music, but in just I put the face now to the music, But most of them hearing the song and then probably don't even know the person who sing the
Only
song.
if you go to parties and that's my biggest song. It reached like 2 million views. And never once do a video for it.
Never.
Music video, no.
No,
I was actually waiting to get my work permit to go to the United States to make the video. Get the high-end vehicles and stuff. But by that time that I got it, it was kind of too late. The song was
it's still not too late because listen, it's still not too late. No, you need to do a video and put it out because like how it's there already. Come on, Skid.
Nice clothes for the females, man.
Come on, Skid.
Right, so this is Scarborough. We're officially in the heart of Scarborough.
In the heart of Scarborough. So guys, so here is Scarborough, the heart of Scarborough. Look like we're down by the countryside of Jamaica and the main road. So Squid, you need to do a video for that. Right away. Right away. You must have 10 years ago potential song was. And then do a video for it what you see happen if boss again, right? Don't worry about that.
So this is the port. This is where when you come off the boat.
Okay, the port.
Jobs! Call me. Yo, call me. He actually lives up by me. Or by the office.
Okay.
But he lives over here also. Right. This is town.
This is town, right? The heart of everything down here, right? You can see it. A lot of Rastas as well too. You see so much Rasta.
Yeah, Rasta with the bleach out grass, natural bleach out grass from the ocean and things. Mr. Pablo! Let's get on! side now.
Okay. There you go.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kyria Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.